Have you ever wondered why a woman suddenly becomes silent? A woman does not become silent overnight. That silence is often the result of days, months, and sometimes even years of broken hopes and unspoken pain. No woman becomes silent all of a sudden. It happens when she has been ignored again and again. When her tears were called drama, when her feelings were never truly valued. At first, she explains herself. She argues, she expresses, she tries to make you understand. But then a time comes when she simply chooses patience and silence. And do you know what changes then? Before, even small things could break her. But now, she learns to carry even the deepest wounds with a smile. She stops complaining to you. I say this often. When a woman starts gathering herself back into her own world, understand this carefully. You are no longer a part of that world. In relationships built on love, many things can be forgiven, except the moment when she was left alone during the time she needed you the most. Do not mistake her smile, her calmness, or her silence for weakness, because a silent woman can be dangerous. Why? Because the woman who has stopped crying, who no longer asks questions, who no longer explains herself, is a woman who is completely broken inside, and then she creates an entire world within herself, a world where you no longer have a place. Understand this clearly. A woman can endure many things, but loneliness is the hardest for her to bear. She may forgive your sins, your mistakes, and even your weaknesses, but she will never forget the moment you abandoned her emotionally, especially when she needed you the most. A silent woman is dangerous, and a woman never becomes silent suddenly.